Hi everyone, my name is Akorede. You're welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time of you checking on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more videos. Today I'm making a tutorial on how to cut and sew reversible bonnet in a very simple way. Here is the fabric I'm using, Ankara fabric, and here is the satin. So these are my tools, and I'm going to use this 1-inch elastic. So let's begin. The measurement I'm working with will be 14 inches. So to get my 14 inches now, here's the fabric. This is the right side and this is the wrong side. I'm going to fold my fabric. I'm going to let the right side face each other. Here is it. Fold it into two. Then I'll now fold it again like this. So I'll now measure my 13 inches from this center now. Here is it. This is my 13 inches from this center. So another 13 inches on this side. Here is it. So I'll now make sure from this center I mark 13 inches all through to form circle now. 13 inches from the center. Please always get your measurement right, please, to make your job neat and accurate. So I'm now going to connect all the points to form circle. So then put it aside and fold because I want to cut it together to make it neat and accurate. Cutting it together. So this is the right side of my satin. I'm going to let it face each other like this by folding into two. Then I will now fold it again like I fold the Ankara fabric. I will now place it on each other like this. Don't make a mistake, please. This is the open edge and this is the open edge of this satin too. So place it on each other like this. Let the center match each other very well. And use your pen to hold it down. Use your pen to hold it down. I'm going to use my pen to hold it down, because I don't want it to be shaken while cutting. If you are a beginner, please always pin down your fabric before cutting, and make sure you measure and measure again for you not to measure wrong measurement. So I'll now cut it. Remember now cut it. Remove the pen. So this is the Ankara fabric and this is the satin. Here is it. Put it together. See how neat and beautiful the circle is now. Here is it. This is the right side and this is the wrong side. So you now open the Ankara fabric too. This is the right side and this is the wrong side. So you now place it on each other like this. Let the right side face the right side, please. So at the edge here now, I'm now going to sew it with 1/2 inch all round, but I'll make sure I leave about 1.5 or 2 inches. Let me make it 2 inches. I'll leave about 2 inches from here now to this place. So I'll now go and sew it from here with 1/2 inch all round down to this place. I won't let it exceed this place. I'll leave about 2 inches for me to bring it out from there. So let me go and sew it. If you are a beginner, please pin up your fabric you can pin it before sewing. So I'm going to sew it with 1/2 inch line. Now I've sewed it with 1/2 inch all round. So I'll now notch it round. Then always trim all the excess edge, all the excess thread and fabric to make your job neat. So I'll now notch it round. Where I leave opened, I will bring it out from there. I'll turn it to the right side from the place I left open, that 2 inches that I left unsewed. So I'll bring it out. After bringing it out like this, I'll now go and iron it. I'll go and iron it to make it smooth, to make the circle comes out very well. So I'll go and iron it. Now I've ironed it. So to create casing for my elastic, 1 inch elastic, I'm going to measure from this edge. I'm going to measure 1.5, so all round for my elastic casing, for it to be contain it very well. 1.5 from this edge all round. So I'll now go and sew on it on that 1.5, because I will measure it and join all the points all round. So I'll now go and sew on the 1.5 inches all round for my elastic. So I've sewed that 1.5 inches all round. Here is it. I've sewed it round. So for you to see it very well, that's why I turn it on this side. So to insert my elastic now, I'll use safety pin to insert my elastic. So just insert it from that opening, that 2 inches opening I created earlier. So I'll just insert it like this. But here now, make sure you use pin to secure it down for it not to get inside. Use pin to secure it like this. So you can now continue inserting your elastic with safety pin. Be careful while inserting. Don't let the safety pin open, please, inside. To be a little bit difficult. So now I've finished inserting the elastic. I'll now remove the pin, the safety pin, and the pin that I used to secure it for it to get inside. So I'll now place I'll place the elastic on each other like this. I'll go and sew on it. Now I've closed it up. I finished closing it up. The 2 inches I left open for me to bring my right side out. So I've closed it up. I'll now adjust it to show you how beautiful. Lest I forget, the elastic I use, the inches I use, I measured my head, the edge of my head like this. I measure it to be 22 2 inches, and now deducted 3 inches from it so that for it to firm a little bit when I put it on. So you have to deduct about 2 or 3 inches before you cut your elastic. So this elastic now is 19 inches. So here is it. Here is the Ankara side and here is the satin side. Look how beautiful and neat it is. Guys, if you find my tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support my channel. Till my next video. Bye bye.